Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back today to be here with you guys to open a massive Scarlett Lime Planner Society box. It's not full of different things, it's full of one particular kit over and over and over. And the reason why is, let me show you the kit. So, I'm going to pull this over so I don't bang y'all. So it is this one kit over and over, and if I can get the last one up, over. So there's 3 of the same, and I've already received this kit. So give me just 1 second. I'm gonna pull everything off to the side and show you guys. Okay, sorry. Some days the hands work well, and I'm gonna wipe this down because those boxes, we have a P.O. box and everything is on the floor, and I don't want anything damaged. So I got this kit, I want to think it was May, and I loved it. And I took it to, so I'm going to cut this carefully because I've got undo, and I'm going to undo all my stickers because I reuse these bags. You can totally cut these apart and use them like paper, or you can use it like a bag. So, but I literally love these bags. So, I saw these colors, and our daughter and son-in-law, or son-in-law to be, her fiance, the colors are pink and green, and this is kind of has a minty behind it, a mint color. But I saw this and I fell totally in love with this kit. I totally fell in love. So I ordered 3 more. I don't know why. I don't know that I've ever seen them offer it again, but they did, and I jumped on it. So look at the flowers. This is going to be perfect for scrapbooking, and if you can see, there's little rhinestones you can put on the paper flowers. Oh, so cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go through it and then pack it away. I love this. So this reminds me kind of a succulent more than it does a, that one looks like a flower, but this one looks like a succulent. So I love that. Those are just darling little, you know, clips. So, and some of this I'm going to plan with. I absolutely adore this washi. It is gorgeous, and yeah, so that I'm going to plan with some of this week for next week while we're in the Southwest. So I'm not going to open these up. I'm learning that I'm not going to open these up because these are the same prints as the paper. So when we look at the paper, you'll be able to see that. But these are darling. They're dividers. They give little stickers, and she gives you all the labels. So if you're bullet journaling, this is your thing. I'm telling you, this is your thing. So the other thing I want to share, look at the page flags. Aren't these darling? So here's the Socorro cactus. Here's other cactus. Here's this. I love it. Our daughter and son-in-law right now don't want to do any of the succulents, but that's okay because I can give them the flowers and I can do the succulents because I love succulents and cacti and all that. So I love this pen. Hold on. Let me see. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's kind of a rose gold, so you know it just screams my name. And yes, this is going on one of my planners, one of my new planners. So, and I really want to get into these because I know I need pens right now, really badly. And of course it comes with this darling bag. And yes, I'm going to use it. And what I'm going to use it for, I have no clue yet, but it is super cute. And I even thought about, because these are like the palm fronds, and I even thought about something for, I don't know, their wedding. I don't know. I'm just not sure yet, but I love this. So, alrighty. And then look at the stamps. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. Okay, so let's see here. What else? Oh, these are the doilies. Aren't those beautiful? I'll be using that in scrapbooking for them and card making. And these I adore. I absolutely adore these. So these are pockets. And there is a green, a white, and a pink. And those will totally be used in their scrapbook, and I cannot say, they are so gorgeous. They look like either the Mexican where they do the doilies and they hang them, they're like flags or a banner, or it reminds me of Schneer and Schnitta, which I did when I was early married. I just love these. They're so gorgeous. Okay, so we have the paper, we have this kit. I'm going to go through this kit first. and my birds are still very talkative. I don't know why. They've been fed and watered, and they're just saying hello. Okay, you guys saw me open this before, but these are just too cute. So here we go. Here's a planner, glasses, hat. I literally, my daughter, our oldest daughter, called last night, and she was saying, Mommy, I want you to look at this website for Mother of the Bride dresses. And so we went through all of these dresses. I mean, I literally spent, I think, 4 hours doing it with her on the phone for maybe an hour. And then my husband and youngest daughter and I were looking while they wanted to watch like an old, I don't know, movie. And so we watched it. And I literally went, they had a hat section, and I literally loaded, because I load a cart just to make, cut and paste and save it for ideas for later. And I loaded a cart of $1,700 of hats. And the wedding's going to be in the Southwest, so a hat would be appropriate. And I told my husband, I said, well, and he goes, no, you're going to get a hat, because he loves hats. And he was like, no, you can get a hat, no problem. And these were very affordable hats. And I told him, I said, well, I loaded a cart of $1,700. And he kind of looked at me and laughed. And he said, we're not doing that. So, and I said, I know. But it was so much fun to look at hats. So here's all that. And I've got to go to something like the Kentucky Derby one day. That's just too much fun. So, all right. And isn't that beautiful? I love all the succulents. So the pineapple. Ooh, flamingos. Oh, I love this. See, this is why I wish they would do succulents. Because don't they look gorgeous together? But I can get away with this because this doesn't look like a succulent. It's just a pretty flower. And a cute dress. And here's suitcases. This is darling. That will totally go for them. And here's the blouse to the dress. Isn't that cute? And let's see here. Oh, this is like a wall hanging. I love that. Isn't that beautiful? And yes, we used to have a weaving, sewing, and spinning store. And so yes, I weave. My oldest daughter weaves. And yes, we will go see a particular weaver that we love. Isn't that beautiful? And we used to be members of a weaving co-op when we were going, sometimes up to two times a year. So I love that. Isn't that pretty? So that can go. It's kind of like a little pink lotus. I love that. I wish she would do that. I know she won't do pink flamingos. You know what? She might do pink flamingos. Okay, so this, I'm going to start stacking these, the ones that I know she'll let me do. So, or the ones that she would enjoy. Not that she'd let me, but that she would enjoy. I wish she would do that one, but she won't. So there's that. I think she'd do pineapple. I don't think she'd do this. Because there's cacti, and I think they do that. So, isn't that beautiful? I love that. That I am going to do. I love that too. That's, I don't think she'd do that. She might do that. I love this. The pink camera. So, and look at this. Isn't that cute? The pink sunglasses. Here's a cute flamingo. Oh, I love that cactus with the blooms. And here's another one. Whoops. Another one with blooms. Oh, I love that. I think she would do that. There's a little bit of cactus in there, but that's really pretty. And I'm thinking I could do that, like, taking pictures when they get ready for the big day. Make someone's days brighter. Beautiful minds inspire others. That will work for them. Choose to be happy. Amen. One of a kind. That can go for them. And make the world a pretty place. Super, super cute. So this is their stack. This is my stack. Yes, I will use every one of these. The backgrounds on these are always amazing. And let me see here. I don't think I can get this one up, but let me see. Nope, not going to take a chance. So I'm going to come back with undo, take all these stickers off, and then use these bags because I love these bags. Sorry, my birds are very talkative today. And then here's all the mini, like planner stickers. And my oldest daughter does not use a planner, so I will be using all of these. Oh, I love this. All the words, hashtag planner girl, done, YOLO, hashtag plan, love that. Oh, I love these. I do remember this kit so well. I love this. So everything you see in all the other items, she just blesses it over and over. And then she adds a few new things, and it's really pretty. So, okay, now let's look at the paper. Okay. I'm going to put this over here for right now. And I think I'm going to set these in 2 stacks and then I will come back. Okay guys, so let's look at the paper. And I think this is what really inspired me, was I was having a hard time finding paper that pink flowers you can find anywhere. But pink and green is kind of harder to find. And I know that sounds weird, but it is. You know, pink with a green background, sometimes it's just hard to find exactly what you're looking for. So when I saw this kit, I thought, oh, there's so much I can use. Hey guys, enough. Shh. Now they're really loud. Sorry guys. My sweet birdies are very talkative today. I keep saying I'm going to take a break and spend some time with them. I think I'm going to have to, as loud as they're getting. Okay, let's get those funky scissors out of the way. Oh, God, I already just love that. So everything she sends is in 2s. So here's the Socorro cactus, like you see in Arizona, which I love. And then there's the palm leaves with pink background. That is totally be used by. This one I think I can use. This one I can use. I cannot use that one for them, but you know, I'll use it. Oh yeah, this I can use for them. Oh, look at the vellum. Hold on a second. Sorry, I've got 2. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely adore that. They will not use that, but I will. And this, isn't that gorgeous? That's totally for them. So I love that. Oh my gosh. The acetate is darling. Hold on. Oh, look at that. It's the flamingos. Let me put my hands here. Isn't that darling? I love that little pink flamingo with the flowers on her. And then the last 2 pages is that gorgeous pattern and that gorgeous pattern. So that is a gorgeous kit. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I will be back doing some projects for the wedding, but I won't do them until the turn of the year. So I'm literally taking everything out of this box, putting it away, except for what I'm going to use for other things like planning and stuff like that. But I hope you enjoyed this. I am thrilled. I even wrote them and said, is there any way, do you have older or kits that didn't get bought, or maybe bits and pieces that you would sell? And then they came out with an email. Maybe she does all the time, I've just never noticed. And it was like, bam, it's all there. So I ordered 3. I was like, done. 3, please, me. So anyways, thrilled. Thank you, Planner Society. Thank you so much. Christy, thank you for every bit of this. I am so happy. So, alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are also subscribed to Planner Society, please, Scarlett Line Planner Society, please leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and tell me what you use your kits for. So, I love these kits. They're so versatile. And, yeah. So, okay, like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'd love to have you be a part of us. Hit that notification bell. You'll know when every new video comes up. And you're not obligated to watch it. It just lets you know. And then if you don't want to watch it, you just clear it off your screen. And most importantly, I pray that your day is blessed and creative and lovely. I'm so thankful that you guys are here. You're such an encouragement, and I love how you encourage each other as well. So have a beautiful day, guys. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.